Anything that is homemade gives one a feeling of satisfaction and pleasure, especially if it comes out better than a manufactured product. Making wine at home gives us enjoyment while making it and satisfaction of the success. When we talk of winemaking, we see images of miles and miles of vineyard, a crowd of people trampling/crushing grapes with their bare feet in a huge tub and barrels of wine in the cellar. Perhaps this practice is still followed, but now, with modern technology, making wine at home is not so toilsome. And the best news that wine can be made at home with a simple wine-making recipe and without the need of a vineyard or cumbersome equipment or much labor. It is not mandatory that wine be made from grapes only. Other fruits, vegetable, and even flowers make good wine. Once one develops the knack of making wine, it will encourage experimenting with different bases other than grapes. Homemade wine is nowadays comparable to commercial wine and may even be better. It can be prepared for the family but can be shared with friends. However, one must be patient as the maturation of the wine takes months and even years. You can get a wine-making recipe and kit from the shop, but even the stuff in your kitchen can be used. A few utensils will be required to start the process when learning how to make wine at home. 1. A container for crushing/mashing 2.22 gallon buckets with lids, not metal or colored plastic. 3. An airlock. 4. A thin cloth/mesh for filtering. 5. Funnel. 6. Clean bottles. How to make wine at home procedure: boil sugar in water and set aside for cooling. Mash/squeeze the fruit with your hands or with a potato masher. You can also use an electric mixer. Add the sweetened water to the pulp mixture in 11/2 gallon of filtered water and add yeast. Close the bucket with the lid and airlock. The airlock will ensure that no air gets in yet allows the carbon dioxide to escape. When the bubbles cease to appear, it means that fermentation is complete. Filter the juice through the cloth/mesh into the second bucket and again put the lid and airlock on. Wait for 6 to 8 weeks. Pour the wine into bottles with the help of a funnel and close tightly. That's how to make wine at home. Once the first batch is done, you will find yourself eager to make greater quantities and with new ingredients. 6 bottles of wine can be made at home for the price of 1 bottle from the store.